Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Alright, so for today's video I'm making my own ribs at home. And I have my spice for the ribs. And I tried to massage the spice into the meat. And after applying all the spice, then I start by frying some butter, oil, putting the meat to the pan until it looks brown, just like that. So I want to make sure that the color is even, and put some butter. Yeah, it makes different when you put butter in your meat while you're frying. Yeah, here we go, smoky. After all the frying, I put my meat in the foil and put it in the oven, just to make sure that moist and soft. After 1 hour, this is how it looked like. Ooh, it's beautiful. My masterpiece. And look at that, so soft. Nice. Really soft. And I start put in my plate with my favorite salad. It's beautiful. Okay, here we go. This is how it looked like. So much good. I'm trying to test my food. Oh wow, it is yummy. Thank you guys for watching my video. Have a nice day.